Top 5 easy 5-ingredient breakfast recipes to help support heart health. Not only can these simple, heart-friendly breakfast recipes help you start the day with great food, but they also help you maintain good blood pressure and cholesterol levels. These meals are full of wholesome items like fruit, eggs, and whole grains, which will keep you full all morning. They are also low in salt and saturated fats. Additionally, all of the dishes are simple to make, even on hectic days, with 5 ingredients or less. Healthy, tasty, and invigorating recipes like our Parmesan cloud eggs and spinach, peanut butter and banana smoothie will give you the energy and strength to take on whatever the day throws at you. Number 1. Creamy strawberry smoothie recipes. This is the easiest and fastest strawberry smoothie recipe there is. 5 minutes and 5 ingredients are all you need. It's also flexible. You may add your favorite yogurt and any unsweetened milk for creaminess. Honey or maple syrup are optional. The vanilla essence provides a delicious base of flavor that complements most fruits. Get mixing. Profile of nutrition. Appropriate for diabetics, free of nuts, soy, and eggs, heart-healthy and vegetarian, gluten-free. Components. A half cup of frozen strawberry. 3/4 cup unsweetened non-dairy milk or low-fat milk. 1/4 cup normal or low-fat Greek yogurt. 2 tsp honey, or maple syrup, if preferred. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Guidelines. First step. In a blender, combine strawberries, milk, yogurt, vanilla, honey, or maple syrup, if desired. Process till smooth. Nutrition facts per serving. 100 calories. 2 grams fat. 16 grams carbs. 6 grams protein. Number 2. Peanut butter and berries waffle sandwich recipes. The foundation for a filling meal that tastes just like a traditional peanut butter and jelly sandwich is made from whole grain freezer waffles. To add texture, we use crunchy peanut butter, but if you'd rather, you may use creamy. If you can't find fresh berries, you may use frozen ones. Defrost them in the microwave for about 30 seconds in a small bowl before adding them to the sandwich. Profile of nutrition. Diabetes, suitable heart diet, healthy vegetarian. Components. 1 toasted whole wheat freezer waffle. 1 tablespoon of natural, crunchy peanut butter. 1/2 cup of fresh mixed berries, including blackberries, strawberries, and raspberries. A tsp of honey. Guidelines. Cut waffle in half lengthwise. Cover half of the other with peanut butter. Put the berries in a small basin and use a fork to crush them. Spread over the peanut butter layer, followed by a honey drizzle. Place the remaining waffle half on top. Nutrition information, per serving. 209 calories. 24 grams carbs, 6 grams protein, and 11 grams fat. Number 3. Parmesan cloud eggs recipes. These light and fluffy eggs are loaded with parmesan and scallions for tons of flavor, plus there's a luscious runny yolk on top. And don't worry, this impressive brunch recipe is easy enough for anyone to master. Profile of nutrition. Appropriate low-carb diabetes, high-protein, gluten-free, low-sodium, soy-free, heart-healthy vegetarian. Components. 4 big eggs with separated yolks and whites. A dash of salt. Grate 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese finely. 1 finely chopped scallion. Add pepper to taste, ground. Guidelines. Step 1. Set oven temperature to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Put parchment paper on the bottom of a large baking sheet. Apply a thin layer of cooking spray. Step 2. Separate the egg yolks from the whites, setting each yolk aside in a small bowl. In a mixing bowl, use an electric mixer set to high speed to beat all of the egg whites and salt until firm. Using a rubber spatula, gently incorporate Parmesan and scallions into the beaten whites. On the baking sheet that has been preheated, form 4 mounds of the egg cheese mixture, about 3/4 cup each. Using the back of a spoon, create a well in the center of each mound. Step 3. Bake for about 3 minutes, or until the egg whites begin to become a light brown color. Take out of the oven. If the well has expanded during baking, you can replicate it using the spoon. Carefully place a yolk into every well. Bake for a further 3 to 5 minutes, or until the yolks are cooked but still runny. Add a little pepper. Serve right away. Nutrition information, per serving. 94 calories. 1 gram carbs, 6 grams fat, and 8 grams protein. Number 4. Southwestern waffle recipes. With avocado and fresh salsa, this open-faced egg sandwich has a hint of southwestern flavor. And we've changed things up by presenting it on a whole grain waffle instead of the toast or English muffin you might typically find it served on. Profile of nutrition. Low sodium, soy-free, nut-free, appropriate for diabetes, heart-healthy, vegetarian, low-calorie. Components. 1 whole grain waffle that has been frozen, like Van's 8 whole grains multigrain. 1 cooked sunny side up egg. Half a medium avocado, remove the seeds, peel, and cut it. 1 spoonful of fresh salsa, chilled. Guidelines. First step. Waffles should be toasted as directed on the package. Add salsa, avocado, and egg on top. Nutrition information, per serving. 207 calories. 9 grams protein, 17 grams carbs, and 12 grams fat. Number 5 spinach, peanut butter, and banana smoothie recipes. The traditional pairing of peanut butter and banana is enhanced by the tart, probiotic-rich kefir. Moreover, the addition of mildly flavored spinach to this peanut butter banana smoothie helps you meet your daily recommended intake of vegetables. Profile of nutrition. Healthy high calcium bones, proper aging, a robust immune system, minimal added sugar and sodium, heart healthy, soy-free, egg-free, gluten-free, and low-calorie. Components. 1 cup of plain kefir. 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. 1 cup of spinach. 1 banana, frozen. 1 tablespoon honey, if desired. Guidelines. First step. In a blender, combine the kefir, peanut butter, spinach, banana, and honey, if desired. Process till smooth. Nutrition information, per serving. 324 calories. 16 grams protein, 45 grams carbs, and 11 grams fat.